Oh God, ciao. Welcome back. Wow, I've been gone. So while I was away, I moved to Atlanta. I'm shooting a movie that is coming out next year. I have already started filming. I got in Atlanta last week and then I started filming the day I got here. So I basically booked the job when I got here. I'm just doing background for it. So we have to take precautionary measures, obviously. We basically have to test 3 to 4 times a week and then we film. But if you know the test, it's more shallow now, so it doesn't go all the way up your nose. It just kind of stops here. I'm in an apartment with my sister, so she lives down here. I just came down here and she has an extra room, so let's go. So basically where I was at right now, just sitting, is the kitchen. Then you come over here and this is the dining room. I literally just hit my head on that. Speaking of hitting my head, yesterday or the day before, I was vacuuming the floor and I hit my head and now the glass is missing because it fell on my head and onto the floor. These are just my books and then all my sister's stuff. Over here is just the entrance area and everything. And this is the living room. And then over here is just a sunroom and like my sister's studio equipment and stuff like that. And that's me, hello. And then you walk some more. This is just the laundry. And then you walk over here, here's my room. My bed is coming in on the 30th. So this is what I'm working with right now. This is a little thing I just bought from Target the other day. I had to assemble it, so there's like assembly stuff. There's the makeup I wear to set, and that's basically all that. This is my book bag I take to set. Then here is just some miscellaneous things that I have because packing was a lot. I literally spent $200 packing to get on the plane, so my luggage was $200. So on the floor I have my shoes, some clothes, and then more clothes. I have dirty clothes, which I am planning to wash today. Over here is a closet for like bathroom stuff, all that good stuff. And then over here is the bathroom. Oop, it's huge bathroom. And then over here is like the toilet and what is this called? A tub. Shower area. So yeah, currently I'm doing a hair mask because my hair has been out. So I just want to let my hair get some nutrients and all that good stuff. Basically, that was my Amazon shopper. I can show to you guys while I put these groceries away. But I don't even know what I was talking about. If you guys know me, acting is my passion. It's what I love to do and everything. So it's exciting to come to a state and get to know the ins and outs. What I'm doing is a feature film, so it's like a actual SAG affiliated job. So it's exciting to watch everything, watch all the actors on set, and most of them, all of them are established actors. They speak and they talk and they're just really wonderful people. So it's exciting to watch what they do, learn from them. Got some rice, some sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, oh, some storage. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use these, the spring roll wraps. I literally didn't mean to get this. I didn't mean to get this. I'm so excited for this. I got illuminating hand and body scrub, witch hazel, and then I got, this was $12. I thought this was gonna be way bigger than this. Okay, whatever, I'm not mad. People are so fun. This was $12 too. I'm starting to see I am getting ripped out of my money. I'm so excited to try this. I'm so excited to try this. Anyway, let me stop fangirling over juice. Oh wow, this is huge. I didn't think this was gonna be that big. Anyway, basically got go-go squeezes and 2 juices. This one is apple, this one is cranberry. I got a lot of juices, but I got these, I don't know if it's gonna take a while before I get them out, but I got these 2 fresh juices. I got a watermelon one and then I got a lemon one. So I got this suja one and it is organic. This one, which is watermelon. I got some sushi. This is tofu. Isn't that so cute? I got some wonton wraps for when I make my delicious ragu. And then I got egg roll wraps because I'm gonna try to make egg rolls or veggie rolls. And then I got some baked tofu. Oh my gosh. This is what I was so excited for. I got grapes. This that watermelon sugar. And then avocado. Oh, my ice cream. You know me. I gotta get my ice cream sandwiches. Cauliflower rice, corn, beefless burgers. No, I don't eat meat. I got some cabbage for my spring rolls, vegetable rolls, and I got some carrots for my spring rolls and vegetable rolls. That could have fell out, baby. And then lastly, I just got some sauces and oil. So I got buffalo sauce, Thai sauce. I got some peanut oil because I really want to try it, and I think I'm going to use this for my ragu. And then I got a whole bunch of beans. Put all this up and watch the end of this movie I was watching, the American Pie movie. So, bye. You guys like my hair? Thank you. It's a new look I'm doing. I came on to show you guys what I am eating. I am currently eating on my floor and watching YouTube videos. But right now I'm drinking ginger ale and eating sushi. I am obsessed with sushi. I didn't realize this is avocado cucumber roll, which is just one of the vegetarian rolls or vegan rolls, whatever. Dude! I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm watching Night School. But anyway, I just came home from my COVID test. I'm gonna do Don't Hold the Wall today, but I'm gonna finish watching Night School. That's what I'm watching right now on the floor. I'm gonna watch Night School, and then I'm gonna watch the last episode of Lovecraft Country that came out, last night. I'm very excited for it. I really don't like recording when it's just chill, because it's like you're not doing anything. I'm going to learn this dance that I've been trying to learn, and I'm probably gonna show you guys me learning it, so let's go. A masterpiece.